Hey everyone, welcome back to the Redmond Audio Report. I'm your host, Chris Paoli, and this is your weekly dose of Microsoft news for the week of August 27th. We've got a packed show today, talking about everything from future-proofing our data against quantum computers to a new AI that hunts malware. We'll also touch on extended support for Azure databases and new cybersecurity rules for AI itself. So, let's get into it. First up, let's talk about a threat that sounds like it's straight out of science fiction. Quantum computing cracking our current encryption. It's a real concern for the future, and Microsoft is getting ahead of it with their new Quantum Safe program, or QSP. The goal is simple, but massive. Transition Microsoft, its customers, and its partners to what's called post-quantum cryptography by 2033. This isn't just a distant plan. They're already baking these new, tougher cryptographic standards into their systems, starting with their core library, SymCrypt. Over the next decade, you can expect a phased rollout across Windows, Azure, and Microsoft 365, ensuring that when quantum computers do become a threat, our digital world will be ready. It's a huge proactive step to protect our data for the long haul. Next on our radar, Microsoft is taking a revolutionary new approach to fighting malware. Forget the old school antivirus software that relies on a known list of digital fingerprints. Microsoft has unveiled Project Ire, an AI system designed to autonomously detect and analyze malware in real time, even if it's never been seen before. The magic here is that Project Ire uses advanced language models to examine suspicious code directly on your PC, performing a low-level binary analysis without needing any prior context. It essentially learns to think like a security analyst. What's really cool is that it provides a transparent chain of evidence for its decisions. While it's still a prototype, it's shown incredible precision in tests and is slated to eventually become a core part of Microsoft Defender. This could be a game changer in the cat and mouse game of cybersecurity. Shifting gears a bit, let's talk databases. Many organizations rely on specific versions of software for their critical applications, and upgrading can be a long, complicated process. Recognizing this, Microsoft has just launched an extended support program for Azure Database for MySQL. This is for users running legacy versions, like 5.7 and 8.0, which are getting close to their end of life in the open source community. Instead of forcing a difficult migration, this new pay-as-you-go service allows businesses to continue using these older versions securely, with ongoing patches and support, while they plan their upgrades on their own timeline. It's a practical move that provides stability for companies managing those long-term mission-critical systems. And finally, as AI becomes more integrated into our lives, the question of how to secure it becomes more urgent. The US National Institute of Standards and Technology, or NIST, is tackling this head-on. They've just proposed a new set of cybersecurity guidelines specifically for AI systems, called Control Overlays for Securing AI Systems, or COSAS for short. This framework isn't starting from scratch. It adapts existing federal security standards to address the unique vulnerabilities of AI. Think about things like protecting the integrity of an AI model or securing the massive data sets used to train it. These guidelines will cover everything from generative AI to predictive AI. NIST is currently asking for feedback from industry experts. But this is a major step towards creating a standardized, secure foundation for the future of artificial intelligence. And that wraps it up for this week's Redmond Audio Report. From quantum safe encryption to AI-powered security, it's clear the future of computing is being built and secured right now. Thanks for tuning in. I'm Chris Paoli, and we'll catch you again in 2 weeks.